Hi everyone, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and this video is initial video from our quick wins tutorials set. So in this first video we will set up the first loyalty card for regular customers in Boomerangme service. And so let's do that. Right now we are on the main dashboard where you can find all your loyalty statistics and traction. You need to open the card section from the left side menu and create a new card. So you can use one of 100 plus ready-made templates with different design for the most popular local business niches, and in our case I want to choose the bar loyalty card template design, only design. So go ahead. On the second step, you need to choose one of 8 loyalty mechanics that we have in Boomerangme service. So first of all, we have 5 loyalty mechanics designed especially for retain your existing clients, and 3 loyalty mechanics we have for acquire new customer from digital ads or from other channels. So let's talk about the retention cards at the first step. We have a classical stamp cards that works like a classical Starbucks loyalty program where you need to collect 12 stars and get 13 coffee for a free. Reward card, tier-based and point-based loyalty card where you can set up unlimited number of reward tiers for your customers. Classical membership cards that help you to build membership and the loyalty club around your business brand. Classical tier-based discount card with classical discount level tiers like bronze, silver and gold with different number of savings, different percentage of savings. Classical cashback card that works like your classical banking card cashback. Coupon card designed especially for customer acquisition in Facebook and Google Ads. We will discuss this card template in our next videos. Multipass card type that works like a prepaid stamp card, and certificate card type work like a prepaid debit card. So let's choose the stamp card template and stamp loyalty mechanics for example, because I believe it's a most clearly card that we have right now into the product. On the next step, settings page, you need to customize your base loyalty card rules and settings. First of all, you need to choose the main language. By default, it's International English language. You can set up the card expiration date. You can run the all-time loyalty program that will be works forever, and you can run the short-term promotions exactly for certain events by the year. For example, you can run Christmas campaigns, you can run Black Friday campaigns or something like that. You can add your business locations here to show geolocated push notifications around 330 feet around each your business locations for all existing card holders. Works pretty well for all local businesses. Next one is a card issuing form. This is data that your customers need to provide to install loyalty card. You will collect all this personal information in your customer base here in CRM system inside Boomerangme, and you can use this personal data to segmentate your customers and communicate with them personally. So next one, you can add the UTM links. If you want to distribute your card in different channels, let's say in Facebook ads, Google ads, offline of course, or maybe through your partners, you can create the different UTM links like Facebook, Google, and local store. You can copy these links and place in certain channels and start distribute your loyalty cards. Next one, need to choose the phone mask. In our case, it would be United States. Classical privacy policy, you can play with the same information. And analytics field. Here you can place your Facebook pixel code and Google Analytics code to track statistics by open rates and conversion rates from your card issuing form. Push the button continue. Design section. Here you can customize the appearance of your loyalty card starting from the number of stamps that your customers need to collect to be rewarded. In our case, it would be 10 stamps by default. Next one, you can customize appearance of active and inactive stamps. For active and inactive stamps, you can use our own icons, hundreds of uploaded icons in our service, and you can customize your card appearance easily. Or if you want, you can upload your PNG file to completely customize active and inactive stamps. You can upload your logo in PNG format, icon in PNG format as well. Your icon will be shown on the push notifications near your company name. You can change background under the stamps in the central part of your loyalty card. You can customize the card colors and custom fields under the stamp line. Go ahead. Last step, you need to customize your card description section. First of all, it's a promotion name. Next one, information how your customers can earn a stamp in your business. Company name, reward details, transactional push messages for earned stamps and for earned rewards for your customers. Initial number of stamps after card installation. Referral program rules, referral program rewards for your customers, active links that you can place your website, social media links or other links that you want to provide here. For example, it can be appointment service that you use for booking appointments into your business, for example, welcome, and feedback links. Also, we can collect reviews on Google Maps, Yellow Pages, Yelp after each visit from your customers. You can increase your visibility in Google search. Google. Okay. Terms of use and the card issuing information. Push the button finish. And yeah, this is your QR code that you can download, copy. You can copy this link and start distributing your loyalty card. But before, you need to activate your loyalty card, because before activation, you can set up to 10 loyalty cards just to check how it looks like on your personal devices. But after activation, you can create unlimited loyalty cards by this card template. Push the button activate. After the activation, you cannot change the card type. It would be only stamp card in our case. You cannot change the loyalty program terms, card expiration dates, and card issuing form. Push the button activate. And the last step, system offered to you download ready-made promo materials prepared for A4 or maybe A5 format. Download PDF button. And you can just download this PDF file, put into the printer, and place in your location and start issuing loyalty cards. All set.